In this video, you will learn how to unhide column in Microsoft Excel. For example, currently a column is hidden now. Now I want to unhide this column. How to identify which column is hidden? For that purpose, you can see here there is a double line up here which indicates that a column is missing here. Secondly, these letters appear consecutively. You can see here the letter B is missing, which means that the column B is missing. So to unhide column, select the column which is the before and after that particular column which is hidden. I will select A, and by dragging option C, because these are the column which appeared before and after the hidden column. Now I will right click and I will find the option of unhide. Click on this option and you can see here the columns are unhidden now. Similarly, if there are two consecutive columns which are hidden, how you can unhide those columns? We will follow similar method. I will select column A and the next column which appeared after this column, which is the column D, I will use dragging option to select both options, and in this case I will use the second option to unhide. I will go to home and in format option I will find the option of hide and unhide. You can use this option, and from here I will select unhide columns which is given here. Now you can see here these columns are unhidden. Similarly, if there are multiple columns which are missing, how you can unhide those particular columns? Using a single click. Just click here on the upper end. You can see here the whole sheet is selected. Place your cursor on any column, right click and go to unhide option. The all columns which are hidden will be appeared on this sheet. Similarly, if the column A is missing, how you can unhide it? To do this, simply select the column after that, which is the B column. Hold the control key and select first row. Now place your cursor on B column, right click and go to unhide option. Now you can see here the column A is unhidden. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.